Welcome to a Binx Production. I'm Fred Woods and you're not. Hi, this is Fred Woods. I ordered an e-bike from Ride1Up. It's a Series 700 step through, and I can't wait to get this box open and get it set up. A friend of mine told me it was going to take 45 minutes. I'm not too sure about that. Let's see how long it takes. There she is. I got the box opened up. I have all the parts there. Let's see what happens. So I'm noticing that there's a lot of zip ties here. So I've been using a pair of scissors to snip it off, and I have a piece of carpet over here, a rug, where I'm putting all the pieces right now. I'm unpacking it. Got the trash can to throw the waste in. So let's see how long this takes. Okay, I've gotten it unboxed. I have to put on the front fork. The other side for the chain ring I need to put on. I have pedals. The seat, and then of course the rack, which I have over here. I have the seat, fork, front fork, the drive chain ring, the front wheel. Pretty cool. I got a fender there. I got a little beanie from Ride1Up, and some other parts over there. It looks like the charging assembly. Okay, I feel lucky that I have a bike stand. I can get this going here. Makes it so it seems like it's a little bit easier. It's more stable right now. I'm going to turn up the camera so I can get a better shot though. Well, as you can see, I had to take it off the stand because I need to have it stable here so I can get the forks on, because I'm like, I can't hold up the forks and tighten it down. I probably could have, but this was just easier to get it off the stand. I propped it up against my vacuum cleaner there for a moment, and then I was able to stabilize it here with this, then getting on the handlebars. I first put the handlebars upside down, and then I noticed, I'm like, wait a minute, this is my gear changer and this is my throttle over here on the left, so I knew that I had to turn it around. Okay, so for getting the front wheel on, and this here, it wasn't clear, because in the pictures for the brake caliper here, in older pictures has a different model of brake caliper. So I had to go online, and luckily I found the video. I don't know how I found the video by accident from Ride1Up, which is good. Now I'm working on the fender. Well, it took a little longer than I thought it was going to take. I mean, that was, gosh, 2.5 hours. Didn't take a break. I had to find another washer because one rolled underneath the piano, I think. But I got it put together, but there's still a lot more to do. I'm going to do that tomorrow because not enough daylight and I'm hungry. I want a California burrito. Have a good one. As you can see, I have the bike all set up. It took a little longer to put everything together last night. I think part of it was I was tired. The light was getting low. As you can see, I have a problem with my vision, so I needed to do some things this morning. And what I had to do is I had to adjust the brake caliper here. And I would say that if I didn't have the bike stand, that it would have been more difficult to get that centered up just right without having any noises. I took it out for a spin, came back, I adjusted the handlebars. I didn't have to adjust the seat because I kind of figured it was right at the right spot, where I just have a slight bend at the bottom of my pedal. The pickup is just amazing. I hope to try it out today, go grocery shopping, and not take my car out. My whole thing this weekend is that I'm only going to take it out one time if possible, so I can save on some gas. It just went up another 23 cents here in Oceanside, California. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Have a great day.